It's time to go.
Do you need a ride, young lady?
Hi, Kit.
Your father sent me to pick you up.
What's the passphrase?
Perifractic has worms.
Correctamundo.
By the way, I found your rabbit friend.
Aw, thank you, Kit.
You're quite...
Bassett.
Excuse me. I've developed a fault in one of my PCBs caused by turbo boosting all the time.
Maybe my friend Elaine can help.
Is Elaine a computer technician?
Nope. She works for PCBWay, where you could get PCBs starting at just $5.
But I don't have $5.
I got you covered.
Perifractic is calling.
Hi, Harleyfractic. I just got a notification from KITT. What are you doing?
The number you have dialed.
Did you hang up on him?
I'm having PCB problems, remember? Besides, I'm having too much fun with you and Bunny.
And we have an ice cream date.
Then right home. It's a school night after all.
We should go really fast then.
Will you do the honors?
Hold on to your ears, Bunny.
Where's the seatbelt in this thing?
PCBWay.